Today I share with you how to make crispy chicken. This time around, you are not going to be looking for where they sell crispy chicken before you can enjoy this with your family. When you can easily get this done in the space of your kitchen. So sweetie, let me tell you how to get this done in a very special way, and at the same time, it's going to be the best and the easiest way to get this enjoy. To begin, we are going to be needing chicken, and over here we are going to be making use of chicken breast. First thing I do, I will take one of the chicken breast, then divide that into two. Then one side of it, I'm going to be slicing it into little cube like this. So this is how I'm going to cut that until everything is well cut and then ready to use. It was so easy to get done like this. So just this shape is good to go. At this point, I'm done slicing all of it. Next step, we are going to be needing a bowl like this. On the bowl, you are going to be adding milk. Next is to add in is lemon juice, the same time garlic and ginger paste. Next I add in is barbecue sauce. Next is to add in hot pepper sauce. Next is to add in garlic powder. Next is to add in ginger powder. Next is to add in chicken spices and the same time paprika and salt to taste. Next is to add in is dark soy sauce. Now I'm going to be adding one egg. All I do now is to mix that together. So after adding all these ingredients, now you are going to mix until everything comes together like this. So once I achieve that, now I'm going to be transferring the chicken back inside the mixture like this. All I do now is to take this spoon and mix everything together. Next is to allow the chicken to get marinated before we proceed. At this point, I'm done mixing everything. I just cover that and then allow that to get marinated. When we are waiting for that, over here, we're going to be needing brown flour. Next, I'm going to be needing is white flour. Next to add in is ginger powder and the same time paprika, chicken spice, then salt to taste. I'm going to mix everything together until it comes out perfect to use. So just this ingredient is good to go. Mix until it comes out like this. Over here we have the chicken. At this point, the chicken are done marinating. So this is going to take about 40 minutes to get the chicken marinated. And trust me, when it gets marinated, you are going to eat and enjoy every bit of this your crispy chicken. So now I'm going to transfer the chicken back inside this flour that I mixed. So this is me adding that. After adding the quantity I need, then I use my hand to mix everything together until it comes out like this. I'm going to add the chicken inside a streamer, then use the streamer to add that inside a cold water like this. So that is going to rest for just 1 minute and then bring it up back to the floor like this. So once I bring it back to the floor again, then I use my hand to massage it last just to mix everything. Then the floor is going to cover the chicken like this. So once we achieve this, this is good to go at this point. You can see the skin, it's just looking so beautiful at this point. So all you do is just to add that inside your streamer and then use the streamer to add that inside the water like that. So once you just achieve that, take it back to the floor and then mix it until it come out perfect like this, and then it's just so perfect. Just follow this process, guys. You are going to enjoy your crispy chicken. At this point, I'm done coating everything. This is what I have. All of them coat so perfect. You can see the skin is skinny. I really love the outcome. It was everything nice. At this point, you are going to be needing hot oil. At the same time, adding the chicken inside the oil. So we are going to get that fried like 2 times before everything is going to be fried. So first, I'm going to be adding the quantity of the first batch, and then after adding that, I'm going to be stirring and then keep on frying that. So this is going to be frying and at the same time stirring as well. So it's going to take you about 30 minutes to fry this, so that it's going to be crispy and at the same time come out so delicious. So you have to get that fried dry like this. So at this point, this first batch has fried and it fried so perfect. So this is just how I get everything fried, and it was everything delicious. All I do is to separate that from the oil, then add that inside this plate like this. At this point, I'm done frying everything and it's ready to enjoy. Look at that now. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, like we can't even get enough of this crispy chicken. It was everything delicious. It was so crispy. It was so delicious, guys. So you need to follow this process to make your crispy chicken at home. The kids, hobby, everyone that eat this with you is going to appreciate you, because this is so delicious. This is the same crispy chicken you went to KFC to chop, and you can easily get this done for yourself if you can go there to get. And the same time is going to be more delicious when you get it done by yourself. Enjoy this with with any sauce around you. You can eat this with mayonnaise, and the same time you can enjoy this with tomato sauce. So sweetie, all you need to do is to share for others to see. Try this for your family. I love you. Look at that now. Enjoy this with any mayonnaise or tomato sauce. The same time, don't forget to cool and down with any cold drink. In my next one, don't forget to share. Bye bye.